Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good afternoon, children. Yesterday you learned to compare the like fractions and unlike fractions. Today you are going to learn to arrange the fractions in ascending order, that is least to greatest. The given fractions are 3 by 4, 1 by 3, 8 by 15. By seeing the denominator, we can say that these fractions are unlike fractions. Before comparing these unlike fractions, we have to change these fractions into like fractions. To convert the like fractions, first we have to find the LCM of the denominators, that is 4, 3 and 15. Already you learned to find the LCM now. We have to use the L division. 4, 3 and 15. Here, first we have to check whether all the three numbers are having a common factor. No. But 3 and 15 are having a common factor 3. So, 4 is not divisible. We have to write as it is. In 3 table 3, 1 time. In 3 table 15, 5 times. Hereafter, no more common factors. 4 and 5, no more common factors other than 1. So, LCM of 4, 3 and 15 is, we have to multiply these numbers. 3 into 4 into 5. We will get 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So, LCM of 4, 3 and 15 is 60. Now, we have to change the given fractions into like fractions. We have to change the denominator to 60. In 4 table, when will you get 60? 4 15s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by 15. So, 4 5 15s are 60, 3 15s are 45. So, the fraction is 45 by 60. Then the second fraction is 1 by 3. In 3 table, when you will get 60, 3 20s are. So, by the same number, we have to multiply the numerator. Then we will get 20 by 60. Then the last fraction, 8 by 15. In 15 table, when you will get 15, 4s are. So, by the same number, we are multiplying the numerator. So, 8 4s are 32 by 60. Now, we convert the given unlike fractions to like fractions with the same denominator 60. Isn't it? Now, we have to compare these like fractions. The fractions we got 45 by 60, 20 by 60 and 32 by 60. So, these fractions are like fractions, so we have to compare the numerator. So, first one, 20 is the smaller fraction. 20 by 60 is less than. Second one, 32 by 60 and 45 by 60 is the greater one. According to the given fractions, we have to find the answer. So, 20 by 60 represents 1 by 3 is less than. 32 by 60 is representing 8 by 15 and 40 by 60 is 3 by 4. So, now this is the answer for the given question. 1 by 3 is the least fraction and 3 by 4 is the greatest fraction. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Again, the same question. We have to arrange the given fractions into ascending, that is least to greatest. But here, mixed numbers are given. 4 1 by 8, 3 1 by 12, 2 1 by 18, 1 1 by 24. First we have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. To the product we have to add the numerator, and in the denominator we have to write the same denominator number. Now here 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. So 33 by 8. Here 3 1 by 12, 12 into 3, 36, 36 plus 1, 37 by 12. Here 2 1 by 18. So 18 into 2, 36, 36 plus 1, 37. 37 by 18. Then 1 1 by 24. 24 into 1, 24 plus 1, 25. So 25 by 24. These are improper fractions for the given mixed number. Now we have to change these improper fractions to like fractions. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers, that is LCM of 18, 8, 12, 18 and 24. The same L division 8, 12, 18, 24. Now all the numbers are divisible by 2, so we are dividing it by 2. In 2 table 4 times, 12 in 2 table 6 times, 9 times 18 and 12 times 24. Now again we are multiplying the numbers by 2. So 2 times 4, 3 times 6, 9 is not divisible by 2. So we have to write as it is. Then 6 times 12. Now we have to divide the numbers by 3. So 2 as it is. In 3 table 1 time. In 3 table 3 time. In 3 table 2 time. Now we have to divide it by 2. So 1, 1, 3 is not divisible by 2. So 3 as it is 1. Here no more common factors other than we have only 3. So we can stop here. To find the LCM we have to multiply all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. This is the LCM. Now we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. So the first fraction is 33 by 8. We have to change the denominator to 72. In 8 table, when you will get 72, 8 9s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 9. So 72, the numerator is 3 9s are 27, 2, again 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29, 297. The second fraction is 37 by 12. In 12 table when you will get by 6. If 6 12s are 72. So we have to multiply the numerator by 6. The denominator is 72. 6 7s are 42. 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So 222. The third one, 37 by 18. In 18 table when you will get 18 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 4. So 18 4s are 72. Here 4 sevens are 28, 2, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 148. The last fraction is 25 by 24. In 24 table, 3 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3. 24 threes are 72. 25 threes are 75. Now we got the like fractions with the same denominator 72. Okay. Next, we have to compare the like fractions we got. Okay. The first fraction is 297 by 72. The second one 222 by 72. The third one is 148 by 72. Then 75 by 72. Now we have to compare the numerators, which is least 75. So 75 by 72 is less than, the second one is 148 by 72 is less than, the third one 222 by 72, which is less than 297 by 72. We have to write the answer for the given question. So 75 by 72 is representing 1 by 24. Then 148 by 72 is representing 2 1 by 18. Then 222 by 72 is representing 3 1 by 12. Then 297 by 72 is 4 1 by 8. So this is the ascending order for the given mixed number. We are going to do the word problems in exercise 5F. The first question is, Sasi and Rohit both took the same test. Sasi answered 5 by 6 of the questions correctly and Rohit answered 6 by 7 correctly. Who got the highest score? Now we have to compare these fractions. Then we have to identify who got higher score. Okay. First, Sasi answered 5 by 6 of the question. Rohit answered 6 by 7 of the questions. Now we have to compare these two fractions, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. These two fractions are unlike fractions, so we have to use the cross product method. First we have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. So 5 into 7. The denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. 6 into 6. Now we have to find the product. 5 sevens are 35. 6 6 are 36. Which is greater? 36. So, which fraction is greater? 6 by 7 is greater. So, who scored highest score? This is 6 by 7 representing Rohit. Rohit answered 6 by 7 of the questions. So, Rohit got the highest score. Is it clear, children? To compare the unlike fractions, we have to use the cross product method. First, we have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the second fraction. Then, the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. Now, we have to find the product of two cross products. Now, we have to compare which is greater. 36 is greater. So, this side 6 by 7 is greater. So, this is Rohit's score. So, Rohit got the highest score. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next question is, the table shows the fraction of the world's total corn each country produces. List the countries in order from the country that produces the most to the country that produces the least. Here, United States 41 by 100, China 1 by 5, Brazil 1 by 20. Here, the question is, we have to arrange the countries in order from the country that produces the most, that is the greatest, to the country that produces the least. So, we have to arrange the fractions in descending order. So, the given fractions are 41 by 100, 1 by 5, 1 by 20. Now, see the denominators. These fractions are unlike fractions. First, we have to change the fractions into like fractions. One method is, we can find the LCM. Okay, now we are having a denominator 100, multiple of 10. So, we can change these two denominators as 100. Isn't it? Easily we can change it. So, in 5 table, when you will get 100, 5 20s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by 20. So, 1 into 20, 20 divided by 100. Okay. The next fraction is 1 by 20. In 20 table, when you will get 100, 20 5s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by 5. 5 into 1, 5 divided by 100. Okay. Now, we have to take the first fraction as it is. Now, we change the second and third fraction with the denominator 100. Now, 41 by 100, 20 by 100, 5 by 100. These fractions are like fractions. Now, we have to compare and we have to arrange the greatest one to the least one. 41 by 100. The second one, 20 by 100. Then, 5 by 100. Which is the greater one? 41 by 100 is the greater one. Then second, 20 by 100. Then 5 by 100 is the least one. Now we have to arrange the fraction for the given question. So first fraction is as it is 41 by 100. The second fraction is 1 by 5. The third fraction is 1 by 20. Now we have to arrange the states in descending order. So the first state is 41 by 100 is United States. United States produces the most corn. Okay. Then the second